This is our 8-inch high-definition touchscreen Guru monitor. This is good for the automotive or high-rail vehicle industries as well as broadcast. Our 8-inch has a 10-point touch PCAP with 1200 nits brightness with an anti-glare, anti-fingerprint coating to avoid smudges and fingerprints. This monitor has been SGS Lab Tested for vibration, heat, and humidity. This monitor is made with a steel metal housing for durability, and then for mounting, it can be mounted to a stand, a 75 by 75 VESA mount, or it can be used in vehicle with an amps mount. This monitor has a power supply, which is a barrel jack, a USB-B type for the touch, and then an HDMI for video, and then it has a USB-C 3.1 PD for both video and touch and sound capabilities. In the box comes a power supply and a 10-foot locking USB-C cable. When plugging in your monitor, you want to make sure that all the inputs are plugged in properly. So if you're using USB-C, make sure it's firmly seated, as well as the barrel jack for power or HDMI for video.
At Touchscreen Guru, we're based in the US. We have 24/7 support, and we have advanced replacement if you ever need it.